Hello, my beautiful friends. My second book is now published and available for purchase on Amazon. I did buy one copy using Prime so that I can unbag it right now. One of my students already got her book, and there was a misprint intermixed with another book called Gomer the Gassy Goat. She's going to keep it, and it is so funny. I am going to put up the hilarious screenshots here. Now let's open this and see if this book comes out fine or if there is a surprise with a farting goat. What do you think? Let's do it. All right, let's open this. I don't like how it came all dented in the mail. Oh my gosh. I don't like that one bit. I think the mailman just shoved it in the mailbox. This book is dedicated to Suzanne Stephenson, my very good friend, and thank you so much to Mary Lamb and Tracy Yu, my editing and pattern testing team. There are 15 patterns in this book. Okay, so far so good. No goats, right? Okay, let's flip through this, make sure there are no goats. Okay, it looks fine. Alright, let's flip through this. So usual introduction, materials, tools, that sort of thing. And in this book I have all the techniques in the beginning here. So if you want to learn the techniques, I have all of that here just for the most beginner techniques. So this book is a more intermediate and advanced with patterns. But if you are a beginner, you can learn all of the techniques in the technique section. So you will be able to make the flowers here even if you don't have any experience. Just that most of the patterns will be intermediate and advanced patterns. So just going through the techniques here, how to use floral tape, and stuff like that. And here we have the only beginner pattern with the cherry blossoms. I took the picture with the cherries, but if you are a beginner and don't want to add the cherries, leave out the cherries and it will be a beginner pattern. And then we have cherries, eucalyptus, forsythia, is that how you say it? Forsythia? Or forsythia? Forsythia or forsythia? One of those. Alright. Long pattern. Japanese honeysuckle. Bush honeysuckle berries. Citrus blossoms, so that could be lemon, orange, kumquat, grapefruit, any type of citrus. You can use this flower and then you can just kind of change up the leaves a little bit. But this specific pattern is based off of lemon. You can easily say that this is orange or anything like that. And here we have kumquat, and I paired it with the citrus blossoms. And we have a olive branch. Oh, what is this? I can't think of it. Crab apple blossoms. I'm just having a mind fart here. I've had a long day. Crab apples. Apricot blossoms. Flowering dogwood paired with the eucalyptus. And I don't have a photo, but it's a dogwood brooch, but looks just like dogwood flower. Star magnolia. That is all the patterns. Thanks to all of you who showed up and bought the book on the first day. It was a #1 new release in jewelry and beadwork crafts, beadwork, and flower arranging. I appreciate all of you, my lovely friends. If you'd like to get this book, Bead Flora, French Beaded Branches in Bloom, find it on Amazon, or you can get a signed copy on my website. Links are in the description below. If you already got your copy, did it come with misprints? And what projects are you most excited to make?